What's happening, guys, and welcome down to a brand new Funfair video right here on Theme Park Insanity. And it's that time of year once again when the fair has returned to Horsforth. Well, this year it's run by C S Funfairs rather than Scott Pullen and Son, and that's due to a takeover of the grounds. Now you're going to get the same rides, same attractions, and it also looks like the fairground has been kind of moved around a little bit this year as well, with things in different places. So without further ado, let's get inside and show you everything that CS Funfairs here in Horsforth Hall Park has to offer. Let's go. Before we head into the ground itself, you've got your opening times here. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, they're set to be closed. They're here from today all the way through until the 4th of May. Open on Thursdays 5 to 8, Fridays 5 to 8, and then of course over the weekend 1 to 8 on a Saturday and 1 till 7 on a Sunday. So if you are in the local area, do come down, grab a few rides and show your support. Well, I'll tell you something, it really is good to be back here, and it's always kind of almost like a sort of start of the Funfair season in our local area is this. Now, of course we do go to the bigger ones as well, but it's always important to support and show little grounds, like, well, smaller grounds should I say, not little ones. And it's always got some really good rides as well. So of course here we've got Fusion, and Fusion this year is in a different place. So you're gonna get some different views. They've kind of moved things around, it's cool to see. You've got all your kind of catering units here on this side, you've got your games there as well. Trampolines for the little ones there. You've got a little kiddie coaster there as well. Finney's Waltzer over there, shooting gallery over there. So there's a lot more games this year by the looks of it, which is nice to see. But of course we're gonna kick off our day on the one and only Fusion. Right, come join us for a ride. I'll tell you something as well, you do have to love these outward facing freakouts. They're so intense and they're really, really good fun. Right, as I said, let's go for a ride. Absolute beast, this thing. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Woo! Oh, yeah, here we go. All the way up. Some serious pops of airtime at the top, it's amazing. Good long ride cycle as well. And there you have it, that was Fusion. What a heck of a machine. It's absolutely fantastic. And it never fails to pack a punch either. It's probably one of the most intense kind of rides of its kind as well. Obviously facing outwards rather than kind of facing inwards makes a hell of a difference as well. But yeah, really enjoyed that, and what a start to our visit here in Horsforth. Right, well next up then we're going to go for a ride on the Twister, and you can't beat a Fairground sizzler. It's always an absolute must. And I say might possibly even brave that later on. Let's see what happens. Right, Twister time, and again a huge thank you to the Ride Up for gifting us a go on. This is the thing is, like, I don't expect it at all. I am always happy to pay for my rides, 100%. No matter where I go, I will always pay. But it's stuff like that, honestly, genuinely, it means the world. Anyway, right, let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. Twister, let's do this. I recognise those two. I mean, if I didn't, I'd be pretty lost, really, wouldn't I? Yeah, no messing about, literally straight up to speed as well. It's exactly what you want. So sizzlers, of course, are a fairground staple at a lot of fun fairs. And there's also quite a few different types kind of making the rounds as well. Ultimately, they all do the same thing, but the newer they are, the quicker they go. And I say that, this thing's just literally been turned up to 11. So, yeah, what a smashing machine this is. I mean, it's so forceful. And that was Sizzler or Twister. I mean, to be fair, it was a heck of a machine and it had a heck of a kick. And once that sort of second part got going and the speed really kind of kicked in, yeah, what a fantastic ride. A lot better than the one we've had previously. I don't know if it's the same one, I don't think it is. But it definitely felt quicker than last year if it was. Well, next up, we can't come to a fun fair and not go in a fun house. So, yeah, let's go for a walk through the Jungle Funhouse. Here we go, right. I mean, Theo loves them, but yeah, I always, no. Yeah, they're quick. Theo in a giant hamster wheel. Ah. Hey, just casually going for a walk. No, 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 no. It's a haul of plastic mirrors. Oh, no, it's glass. That's actually glass. Those are like big punch bags. Feels a bit ecstatic about a bit of elastic. I definitely expect him to go on his bum then, no two ways. Yeah, I'm good. Ah! Didn't expect that to move like that. No. More punch bags. Oh wow, that's warm. That's red hot, that. Mind you, it's sunny, isn't it? It's a monkey bridge. And there's a monkey on it. Monkeying around. Right.
Oh, God, yeah, this.
I'm gonna feel dizzy after this. You feel when you're going in circles? Literally. Woohoo! Ah! Bridging the gap. Got some good views of the Funfair from up here though.
Oh, there's nothing.
Some stairs down. See outside. I thought it might have been a slide or something. I'm sure there's usually a slide.
No.
Yeah, there is. There's part of it missing. Oh well, fair enough.
Jump off. Jump off. Oh, you jump off and you get right.
Looks like they're having fun. Oh, up there. Feels good to see if we can go on the bumper car things, I think. It might be a bit big for them, but...
There is no height restriction.
Oh, there's no... Okay, so there's no height restriction though with this one. Fair enough. Let's see if we can go on then. Looks like a bit of a squeeze. But you're in.
Not like this one.
I mean, that might be a bit more comfortable maybe, yeah. But there we are, you've got in it, that's the main thing. Well, I'll tell you something, it is really good to have the fair back here in Horsforth, and obviously with it being so local to us as well, it's always a must every time we come down. But we're just chilling out now, having a bit of a break. Feels throwing his Coke everywhere, Mrs. TPI's enjoying hers, and I've got mine as well. So,
Yeah.
cheers. So one thing I've got to ask, obviously, is the fact that, you know, people say that theme parks are expensive to go to, and obviously fun fairs, you know, these are actual machines that people run by themselves. So these are their livelihoods. And it's an opening night of a fair, and I'll be honest, I would have expected, or at least hoped to have seen more people here. If you are in the local area in Horsforth, you know, it's a great little fair. The rides are expensive. I think they're averaging around about £2 to £3 each. Obviously, we'll take a go on the Dodgems in a bit as well. I mean, it's worth coming down for a fusion kind of by itself as well. It's a really good little ground, and again, you know, it's an evening out for the kids as well, especially given the fact it's so beautiful tonight too. So if you are here in the local area over the weekend, come down, show your support, get a couple of rides, have some fun. All right, round two, let's do this. Powering up. Something about freedom of just riding this and just submitting to it and letting yourself go. Just epic. And I'll tell you something, when it's bright blue skies and sunshine, it don't get much better than this. Hey. Right, well, time for a ride on the Dodgems. Let's go for a ride. So with there being kind of so few here, the good thing is that the next cycle is going to be just me and that one there. No head-on bumping, we'll see. I don't think I've ever seen Dodgems with actual lap bars. That's new. Right, okay, let's see how this goes. Squeaky! It's also going to be interesting seeing if I can try and drive this and also talk to this. Multitasking, that's the word for it. Ah, there we go. Ah! Oh, and we're off. Ah! I feel like I'm getting attacked. Ah! No. Ah! I'm feeling personally attacked here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get. Ah! There's also plenty of little rides here for the little ones as well. Swinging chairs, cars, balloons. You've also got a little pirate ship at the back there. And there's some other ones kind of dotted around, including a jumping jack. So actually there's more here for the little ones than kind of is for the older ones. Right, okay, well that wraps up our visit to CS Funfairs here in Hall Park in Horsforth. And it's been fantastic to be back, get on the likes of Fusion, the Dodgems and everything else. Huge thank you to the showman for making us feel so welcome. Really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's head out and wrap this up. And there you have it. So that's our visit to this year's fun fair here in Hall Park in Horsforth at an end. And we've had a fantastic evening. The thing is, like, you can do so much in such a short space of time here as well, with so many kind of rides packed in together, which is great to see. Everything's really affordable. I think the bigger rides are kind of sort of £5 or £6 thereabouts, which when you consider how much of a ride cycle you get for that money, and also the fact that, you know, this is independent people running their own machines, as I said, it's an absolute bargain. So do come down, check it out. If you're in the local area, you know, Guiseley, that sort of area, Yeadon, wherever, it's really accessible, plenty of parking out there too, so do come check it out. But if you have enjoyed this and you want to see more fun fair vlogs here on Theme Park Insanity, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to avoid missing out. And if you have enjoyed this video in particular, smash the like button to let me know, it's always really appreciated. But for myself, Joe, here in Horsforth, this is Theme Park Insanity, and I'll see you all very soon indeed. Take care, bye bye.